I'm here with John Gibbs. He's the lead technician from Weld County, Colorado. Hi John, how are you today?
Hi, doing well. How are you, John?
I'm great. Tell us a little bit about your background with Weld County, John.
Sure. I started at Weld County actually as a contractor 8 years ago. I've been working at their fleet services department. Started working off on cars in the automotive side, but moved over to the heavy side and eventually worked my way up to lead technician and been taking care of whatever they've got virtually since then.
Well, we know Weld County is the third largest county in the state of Colorado, bigger than the state of Rhode Island. So you have a lot of vehicles and equipment to maintain. What do you have in your fleet?
Well, we've got a fleet of approximately 1,000 units, and that ranges from anything you'd need for all of your public works divisions. Some of our biggest fleets have to do with motor graders and gravel road management. We've got a trucking department, road and bridge, paving, and all your other support departments for public works that we take care of.
And how many work in your department, John?
Including myself, we've got 10 technicians and administrative staff to support that, to take care of that equipment.
That's pretty amazing that you guys can take care of all that equipment.
Well, we try, but sometimes we fail at keeping up.
Well, that's honest. Well, we're here right now with a brand new truck.
We are.
For Weld County. It's a, what do we got,
It's a Western Star? Yep.
Western Star, equipped with Hinky gear. It's from the equipment dealer in Colorado called Kois.
Yes.
How's your experience with Kois been?
Experience with Kois has been great. Their support staff and their fit and finish on their products is excellent. We're excited about this particular truck. It's going to be our third wing plow. It features some new technology, including the postless lift systems on the front of the wing plow, so we're excited to see what kind of feedback we can get from the drivers and how well it can work for us.
What have your experiences with Hinky been?
We've had Hinky equipment pretty much across the board. And when it comes to hydraulics, usually the Hinky name is closely behind. So we've had a lot of experience with equipment. Our experience has been very positive. Thank you.
Thank you.